So yan guys, meron tayo rito ng paa ng manok, chicken feet. Ito guys yung ating lilinisan at ating lulutuin. Adobo guys ang luto natin dito. Yan guys, oh. Adobohin natin yan to. Oh, marami-rami rito guys. Chicken feet. Oh, paa ng manok, Tagalog. Yan guys, lilinisan natin to at ating lulutuin adobo. Oh, sarap nito guys, adobong manok, paa ng manok. Sige guys. Oh, yan guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, yan. See you guys. Thank you for watching.